Accra High Court has sustained the charges of conspiracy to cause harm and 2 counts of assault on a public officer leveled against NDC National Chairman Samuel Ofosu-Ampofo by the Attorney General. His lawyers on May 27 urged the court to strike out the 2 counts of assault on a public officer, saying the AG did not provide particulars of the offence. The court, presided over by Justice Samuel Ofosu-Ampofo, on Friday turned down this request. There is more in this report.
Mr. Ampofo was dragged to the High Court following the leak of an audio state prosecutors alleged to be a plot by the NDC leader to commit various crimes. State prosecutors have since furnished his legal team with evidence they intend to rely on during the trial. His lawyers, however, made an application asking for details of the assault charge leveled against him. The AG's office, represented by Director of Public Prosecution Yvonne Atakro-Obisa, opposed the application. She argued the charges filed against the politician is grounded in law. Justice Samuel Ofosu-Ampofo on Friday ruled that the charges can remain since failure to disclose the particulars of the assault is not fatal to the trial. Another officer of the party, Kweku Buayin, is also before the court, but his lawyers maintained he wasn't present during the said meeting. His lawyers, led by Dr. Abdulbasit Bamba, had also filed an application demanding that state prosecutors make available some documents they have failed to disclose. Justice Ofosu-Ampofo granted a request for disclosure, asking the AG to provide that within 7 days. On the claim that Mr. Buayin was not part of the said meeting, the court said evidence should be led by both parties to prove their side of the story during trial. Hearing continues on July 8 when the trial is expected to commence. State prosecutors are to invite their first witness to lead the person to give evidence in the case. This witness will be cross-examined by lawyers for Mr. Ampofo and Mr. Kweku Buayin.
Joseph Akable filed that report.